Hello guys, today we review Logitech M235 wireless mouse. M235 is the compact mouse that's great for working at home or on the go. It's sized perfectly for most surface, limited workspaces as well as user with small hands and even for kids. Now you can see how looks M235 mouse will be. What you will get when you receive purchase the mouse. In this box you will receive one mouse, 2.4 GHz receiver, unifying tiny receiver, and one AA battery which are pre-installed. Now here you can see mouse pictures. Now when you get one receiver, USB receiver, that unifying receiver will connect 6 devices. So it is best suitable for like laptops. In laptops you can see only one or two, most probably two USB ports are there. In desktop many USB ports are there, so you can connect multiple USB receiver, but in laptop most probably two two USB or one or three receivers. So it is best for suitable for laptops so that you can connect more than one device like mouse, keyboard and other also device. Now let us see like unifying USB receivers. In unifying USB receivers you can there is a star marks and orange. So whenever you purchase a product related to like your PC or laptops, this product will be connected and also this unifying mark will be there. So that receiver will connect to them. Now let us understand unifying USB receiver. To required available USB port, it supports Windows 10 or 11 or later, Mac 10.5 or later, Chrome OS. Certified works with Chromebook. This product has been certified by Logitech to meet Google's compatibility standards, and Google is not responsible for the operation of this product or its compliance with safety specifications. Chromebook and works with Chromebook badge are trademark of Google LLC. Now let us see sensor quality, smooth optical tracking and DPI min max 1000 plus minus. The mouse quality you can rely on. The mouse is built using the same high quality standards that have made Logitech the global leader for mice and keyboards based on the independent sales data in units aggregated for the Logitech mice and keyboards from major global markets including Canada, China, France, Germany, Indonesia, Republic of Korea, Russia, Federation, Sweden, Taiwan, Turkey, US, 90 to 20 periods retail channels only. Durable and reliable, M25 also works up to 12-month battery life, may be vary based on use and computing conditions. Without changing battery with the help of on-off switch button and auto sleep power saving mode. I also use this mouse so battery will go 12 months or more. So that is best for things for using this mouse. And also you can purchase from this link and available in the market or online you can purchase. I will provide the link in the description. Now finally you can see M235 wireless mouse is excellent option for those looking for affordable, reliable and easy to use wireless mouse. It provides great performance and daily tasks and is built with long battery life, which supports up to 12 months and provide backup 12 months, and which makes it practical choice for both home and office usage. Also, you can see this is the mouse I am using for more than 24 months. It is working fine and best conditions. And when we see this in back, so here you can see also there is a smart s- sensor reader. So there is no light here. Only in top you will see lightings and it will disable after some times. Here you can see M235 and a star with orange. That is the unifying receiver marks. And there is also one button you can see off and on. So according to this button you can switch off or on these buttons, and this is the sales window, so you can down it and open it. So sales double A sales battery will be included, also you can use it. You can replace your battery after 12 months or 1.5 years. And side you can see there is a rubber this thing, so that is suitable for gripping options. In both sides, that rubber will be available. Click on this link, this will go on, open the link or directly logitech.com. So here it comes with three color like brown, blue and red. Now see here you can see mouse height with depth 95, 55 and 38.6 mm, and USB receiver like you can see 10 receivers 23.1 mm. Technical specification you can see button 3 left right and middle click. Scrolling line by line scrolling is available here. Here you can see there is small light you can see here, and this light will be off after some times. And here you can see 12-month battery backup, so that is best and it is good. And battery we will use double A battery which are included, and connectivity 2.4 GHz wireless connection, wireless range 10 meters, and also you get the 3-year limited hardware warranty. Here you can see comfortable shape, compact designs, and easy navigation, precise controls, and better than a touchpad. You can see plug and play simplicity, and any locations, any occasions, quality you can rely on. This is a M235 mouse, so you can use better way, and it is reliable. And so this mouse can be purchased from Flipkart, Amazon. Here you can see this mouse like here unifying receiver, also one mouse you can see there, and this one also from there it is available like Bell Bazaar, and this mouse you can see unifying receivers that is best for multiple connectivity from single receivers. And Amazon, from Amazon also you can buy it. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.